Welcome, everyone, to today's English-speaking communication masterclass. For the next 1 hour, we're going to practice real-life English, the English people actually speak every day. And with me is Sam. Hi, Alex. Hi, everyone. I'm excited, but a little nervous. Perfect. Nervous means you're learning something new. Let's begin. Sam, tell me about your morning. What did you do today? I woke up late today, and then I rushed to make breakfast. Nice! Try this upgrade. I woke up a bit later than usual, so I had to rush through my morning routine. Repeat after me. I woke up a bit later than usual, so I had to rush through my...
Warm-up conversation practice, 5 minutes. Let's start with a simple warm-up. I want you to think about your morning. Now speak after me. I woke up a bit later than usual, so I had to rush through my morning routine. Great! Try to say it again, slowly and confidently. Pronunciation warm-up, 5 minutes. Thanks for joining me today for our pronunciation warm-up. Repeat these words with me. Think, thought, through. Measure, pleasure, treasure. Better, water, later. Communication, conversation, situation. Now say this sentence. My communication improves every time I practice.
Daily life conversations, 10 minutes. A. Ordering at a coffee shop. Alex, practice this line. Hi, can I get a medium iced latte, please? Say it naturally, like...
B. Making plans. Alex, now practice this sentence. Hey, are you free this weekend? I was thinking we could hang out.
C. Making small talk. Alex, for weather conversation, say, It's incredibly hot today. Feels like summer came back.
Vocabulary upgrade session, 10 minutes. Let's improve your vocabulary. Simple word, happy. Better versions are delighted, thrilled, over the moon. Simple word, angry. Better versions are frustrated, annoyed, furious. Now speak this sentence. I feel frustrated when... Real-life situations practice, 10 minutes. A. Job interview line. Alex, repeat this. I'm passionate about learning and improving, and I enjoyed taking on...
B. Talking to a stranger politely. Alex, try this line. So, what do you usually do in your free time?
C. Polite communication. Instead of saying, you're wrong, say, I see your point, but I have a different perspective. Storytelling practice, 8 minutes. Alex, follow me. Last year, I made a mistake at work that taught me the importance of double-checking everything. Listening and responding practice, 8 minutes. I'll give you a line, and you repeat the response after me. If someone says, I had a long day today, you say, that sounds tiring. Want to talk about it? Next, if someone says, I'm thinking of starting the gym, you say, that's great. Fast Speaking Confidence Challenge, 5 minutes. Alex, repeat powerfully. I express myself clearly and confidently. My English gets better every single day. I don't worry about mistakes. Emotional expression practice, 8 minutes. Alex, say this. I feel genuinely encouraged when someone supports me. It gives me confidence. Now repeat. I'm afraid of making mistakes, but I'm learning to overcome that fear. Closing reflection, 4 minutes.
great job today. Here's what I want you to remember. English communication isn't about big, fancy words. It's about clarity, confidence, and practice. Thank you for joining this session. Practice these lines daily, and you'll see